My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2015 Volkswagen Polo. This vehicle has done just under 83,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have voice control as a feature. As we move on into the screen, using the buttons on the left side, we can access our radio, media, smartphone integration and voice control. To the right we have navigation, traffic reports, vehicle status and menu. And just below the screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.